So in today's session, I want us to learn how to add images on glass surfaces. This normally applies to people who are doing supermarkets, arcades, and maybe shopping malls. So let's see how it is done in this software. You're going to download this image maybe on Google. Then if you add it onto this window, make sure you note the size of this window. So for example, this window is 5.3 meters by 4.5 meters. So if I'm to add this image, I'll go to options, element attributes, then I'll go to surfaces because that is the window surface, glass. So you go to surfaces. So me, the images, I named them as logo. So you can select any of the existing surfaces. You click on browse image. See browse image. So you click on add image. Then you look for the image. So these are the images that are downloaded. So after you come here, you will select the image, you click open. So it will be loaded, you click OK. So when you click OK, the image will come here. So what you do on your left is to input the size of the window where you want to put that image. Input the size of the window where you want to put that image. Make sure the origin is, you select the first icon, then you click OK. So this is how I added this. Now let us add another image onto this window. So I'll select this window, go to settings, Ctrl T, then I'll go to model attributes, then I go to glass because we want to add it onto glass. Click on that arrow, then I'll look for my logo. So maybe I want to add logo 5. Logo 3. Okay, so we shall put in logo 3. We see how it looks like. So that's how your logo will look like. You can add another logo if you feel like this is not okay. Let me try putting a logo onto this. Control window settings. Come to model attributes, glass. So select logo. Did we select logo 4? No, click on logo 4. So that's how your logos will look like when you add them in ArchiCAD.